In 1816, a mysterious chill swept across the globe, known as the Year Without a Summer, where crops withered and people shivered under unusual weather patterns caused by the eruption of Mount Tambora. As food shortages became widespread, families faced the harsh reality of hunger and hardship, gathering in dimly lit homes, sharing meager meals in an effort to survive the lasting impact of this catastrophic event. Communities came together, holding town meetings to face the growing crisis, while children found moments of joy in the snowy streets embodying the enduring spirit of hope amid uncertainty. Amidst the chaos, scientists diligently worked to unravel the mystery behind the darkened skies and chilling temperatures, seeking answers that would later shape our understanding of climate phenomena. In the shadows of despair, creativity flourished as writers like Mary Shelley found inspiration in the gloom, crafting timeless tales that reflected the turmoil of their world during this extraordinary year. The dramatic eruption of Mount Tambora became a catalyst for change, leading villagers to uncover hidden volcanic cavities, igniting both fear and wonder at the forces of nature that shaped their lives. The discovery of the volcanic cavity sparked a sense of adventure among the villagers, drawing them in to explore its depths as they grappled with their curiosity about the mysteries lurking below the ground.
Braving the unknown, the villagers gathered their courage and entered the volcanic cavity, discovering a surreal world of captivating beauty, hidden beneath the surface, filled with awe, inspiring geological wonders.
As they explored deeper, the villagers formed a bond, sharing discoveries that included ancient fossils, prompting reflections on their connection to the earth and the history that lay beneath their feet. Back in the village, a festive spirit emerged as stories of their findings inspired awe and imagination, rekindling ancient myths and connecting the past to the present.